Okay, hi there. This is Craig here from SHHH Moto Travels, and this is going to be just a short little video about my 2002 Dyna. So I had a couple of questions about what kind of handlebars do I got on the bike here. So I'm just doing a short little video just to show you the handlebar setup on the Dyna. So when I was customizing this bike, I wanted a handlebar setup about as lean as possible. You know, I didn't want any of the wiring harnesses or controls outside of it, so I started searching around and I found this company in Nevada that custom made the bars for me. So I came up with the design that I wanted for these drag bars. I gave them the measurement for the height, the pullback, and then the distance between the grips. And what they do is they mock up a setup and send it to you an electrical conduit to see if it fits. And after that, when we came to the agreement to make the bars, they custom made them. Now I had some options that I did on them, and I'll show you what I did. The first part is the electronics. So when you turn the key on, look at the mirrors, and you can see all of my gauges are inside the mirrors. They're LEDs. So on the left side, you've got neutral indicator, high beam, turn signal, and that's your speedometer. On the right side, you have an oil pressure, battery, that's your tachometer, and then the turn signal also. So for the turn signals, they're the same places they normally are with this switch, although they're not labeled. When you turn it on, I had the turn signals on the front built into the mirror and the lever. And that's the same on the left hand side. The turn signals inside the mirror and inside the lever. Now what's different on the left is your high beam. So it's not a switch. What it is inside the grip. You pull the grip back, high beam. Forward, low beam. So now the hydraulics, as you can see, you can't see a cylinder in here, a hydraulic cylinder for the reservoir tank. What it is it's inside the grip. It's a cylinder inside here. And when you get to this hex bolt here, you take it out, you have a filler cup, and that's how you fill the liquid in there. Same thing as on the clutch side. Right there is your filler point, and the cylinder is inside the grips. So all hydraulics and all wires are pulled inside the handlebars, and they come out to the front here. So you got your two hydraulic lines and your wiring harnesses. And that's all pulled through the handlebars. Inside the mirror, there's 7 wires inside there. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that's the size of the wiring harness that has to be pulled in through the handlebars. So the other thing on these bars is they're not labeled, but it's the same as any other Harley. As your turn signals are on the bottom there, that's your starter switch. Your kill switch is right up here. And it even has a cruise control, which is this one right here, which is just a throttle lock. That's all it is. On the other side, it's your turn signal again, your horn, and that's all that's on the other side. So when you're sitting back here, that's about the cleanest setup you can get. Anyhow, that's just a quick overview of the bars that I have. It's about the leanest setup I could find when I wanted to do custom bars for this bike. And there they are. So hopefully that satisfies some curiosity about what did I do to this thing. Anyhow, take care, ride safe you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.